Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The time has spun back to the condition of the day when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu created the heavens and the earth. A year comprises 12 months, 4 of which are sacred, 3 of them, namely Dhul Qada, Dhul Hajj, and Muharram, are in succession. As for Rajab of Mudhar, it is between Jamadul Ukhra and Shaban." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then asked, "Which month is this?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent, and we thought he might give this month a new name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Isn't it Zulhajj?" We submitted, "Why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then asked, "Which city is this?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon observed silence, and we thought he might give that another name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Isn't it our city?" We submitted, "Why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "What day is it?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon remained mute, and we thought he might give that another different name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Isn't it the day of sacrifice?" We submitted, "Of course." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Your blood, your property." Muhammad bin Sirin narrates that he thinks Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu also said, "Your honor are forbidden to each of you, like the sanctity of this day of yours, in this city of yours, and in this month of yours. Soon you will meet your Lord, and He Jalla Jalaluhu will ask you about your deeds. Hearken, do not go astray after me, decapitating one another. Hearken, let the attendees convey it to the absentees. For sometimes those whom the message is conveyed retain more than the listeners." When Muhammad bin Sirin would narrate this hadith, he would say, "The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said the truth." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Have I conveyed you the message? Have I conveyed you the message?" Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5550.